I actually like Harry Potter kinds of movies. Do you know Harry Potter?
Oh yes, I've watched all the movies of Harry Potter. As you know that there are 7 books and 8 movies of Harry Potter.
Yeah.
I've watched like all of them.
Oh, I also watched all of them.
So, what free time activities do you enjoy?
Actually, in that case, I really enjoy singing, dancing, drawing, reciting poems, gardening as well, and also talking in English.
Oh, those are really nice things to do in your free time. So, can you please tell us about your family?
Yeah, sure, why not? Actually, my family is very small. There are only 4 members in my family. They are my parents, my grandma, and me. So, actually, my father's name is Pranab Mujumdar. He is a renowned lawyer. He is very hardworking man. He always give me times, and also as well as my mother. Her name is Nivedita Mujumdar. She is a housewife, and those she always take care of me and as well as my family. And about my grandma, her name is Pratibha Mojumdar. She really likes reading books, and as well as she also tell me some. What about your family?
Well, there are also a short amount of members in my family. There are 3 members in my family, which are my father, my mother, and me. My father is a service holder. He's a very hardworking and honest person. He teaches me to be responsible and honest as well. My mother is a homemaker. She looks after everyone in the house. She also helps me with my homework and studies a lot.